Giggles and grapes.
Today, we're visiting the zoo, and I can't wait to meet some amazing animals. We're going to see big, tall, and even sneaky creatures. Let's
go!
Whoa! Look at these big elephants. Did you know they eat up to 300 pounds of food every day? That's like eating 600 sandwiches. And look at those stripes. Zebras use their stripes to confuse predators, like lions, so they blend together when they run in a group. It's like wearing a camouflage outfit. Pretty smart, right? Shh! Do you hear that? That's a lion's roar. A lion's roar can be heard up to 5 miles away. It's their way of saying, "This is my territory." And here's the powerful predator of the jungle, the tiger. Tigers are incredibly strong and can leap up to 30 feet in a single bound. That's as long as a school bus. They are also fantastic swimmers and love water, unlike most big cats. Whoa! Look at how tall these giraffes are. Their necks are super long so they can reach the highest leaves on the trees. Fun fact, giraffes only need to drink water every few days because they get most of their water from the plants they eat. Whoa, look at that big guy. They are amazing swimmers, using their tails to propel themselves. Crocodiles have been around for millions of years, making them one of the oldest creatures on Earth. Monkeys. They are so playful, aren't they? Monkeys are smart, too. They use tools like sticks to find bugs and nuts to eat. Some even have special calls to warn their friends about danger. Check out these pink flamingos. Do you know why they're pink? It's because they eat shrimp. The food they eat turns their feathers pink over time.
Subscribe, like, and don't forget to press the bell icon.